Hey everyone, how's it going? I'd like to thank all of you for the recent support on my videos. You are amazing. Today we are discussing a very controversial topic that I see being brought up a lot in this space, and that is if university is or not important and useful for future software engineers. You may have heard about coding like I did when I was in high school and feel uncontrollably drawn to it, but you don't know what next steps to take. Should you enroll in a bachelor's degree of computer science, maybe only do a bootcamp as it is less expensive, or maybe just buy some $10 Udemy courses and you're all set? Well, after almost 6 years of working as a programmer, I've got some insights to share that might help you make a more informed decision. Let's dive right in. First off, let me share some of my personal experience. To give a bit of context, I enrolled in college in 2017 and I followed a computer science bachelor's degree. University has helped me a lot, both through teaching me how to code and by providing a valuable network of individuals in the field. When I got into uni, I didn't really know how to code. The only coding I did up to that point was in high school, and that was basic coding concepts in C++. Well, I got thrown into a collective of people that were doing this for some time. They knew about Git and front-end frameworks. It was fascinating. Compared to them, naturally, I felt left behind, but this discrepancy was a blessing in disguise. I now had peers to look up to, motivate me, and make me strive for understanding more complex notions and algorithms. I still remember how one of my classmates, my best buddy at the time, recommended me for my first internship ever. That opportunity opened so many doors for me. The pay wasn't great, but it gave me some experience to have on my CV. Besides, the formal education I received laid a strong foundation in programming concepts, algorithms, and problem-solving skills. These basics are very important, and having a structured learning path can make a big difference when you're just starting out. Speaking of structured learning paths, I found that continuous learning is essential even after you've left university. Whether you're self-taught or formally educated, there's always more to learn. And that's where Brilliant comes in, the sponsor of today's video. Brilliant is an interactive learning platform that's perfect for anyone who wants to deepen their understanding of key concepts in programming, math, data analysis, and more. What I love about Brilliant is how it builds your understanding from the ground up through hands-on problem solving. Exactly the kind of learning that sticks with you, much like the structured education I received at university. For those of you interested in refining your problem-solving skills, Brilliant is a fantastic resource. I've just completed their Thinking in Code course that develops your mind to start thinking like a programmer. It will also run you through all the essential coding elements from loops to variables and randomness. It's designed so you can start building programs from day one using their drag and drop editor, which makes complex concepts much easier to grasp. I wish I had these visual representations showing how things work behind the scenes back in the days when I was starting out with programming. They're always adding new courses and lessons. It's a really fun way to learn new skills, and you can do it from as little as 10 minutes a day. You can check out all of their courses for free for a full 30 days over on brilliant.org/Andy Tries Coding, or click on the link in the description to get started. Plus, you'll get 20% off an annual premium subscription. If you are the type of person that can learn anything on your own and you are very determined, you might succeed without a degree, but not in a very short period of time. Let's talk a bit about the idea that you can make money through anything, especially coding, without proper training and fast. There is a lot of hype out there. People saying you don't need a degree to become a successful software engineer. While it's true that some have made it without formal education, the reality is often more complex. Everyone who says you can skip the degree and start making big money right away is usually trying to sell you on an idea because of a product they want to sell you. Be wary of shortcuts. Real success in software engineering requires deep understanding of the field, which is often best gained through formal education and hands-on experience. Besides the exact subject matter, university helps you transform into an adult who can grind with ambition on huge projects. The discipline and perseverance required to complete a degree are cultivated in you and will be shown later in everything you do. University will push you and expand your limits. It's not just about learning to code, it's about learning to think critically, manage your time, work under pressure, and collaborate with others. These soft skills are just as important as your technical abilities and are often developed through the university experience. Moreover, the projects and assignments you tackle in university mimic real-world challenges. They teach you how to break down complex problems, research solutions, and implement them effectively. This process of trial and error, of learning from your mistakes, is very important for your growth as a software developer. And compare the stress of doing deadline coding projects in college to half-assing an internet project at home and then chill for like 5 days. It is obvious the result won't be the same. I personally never understood people that said uni is a scam, but I might come across as biased. This might depend on basic circumstances like how passionate you are about the specific field, how well you can learn things on your own, and the tuition price. So take what I'm saying with a grain of salt. Being from Eastern Europe, attending the computer science public university was free, but the exam to get into it was quite hard. I don't know if my opinion would still be the same if I lived in the US and I had to pay 100k a year. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences on this topic. Did you attend university? How has it impacted your career as a software engineer? Share your stories in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more valuable content. Until next time, cheers and happy coding!